What's up YouTube, this is Triple M and today I'm doing another quick video, and this is actually answering a question for a couple of my followers on YouTube as well as Twitter. A lot of people have been having issues with the Fresh Start of Kodi. I did do a video showing how to Fresh Start Kodi from within Kodi, but a lot of people get the splash screen when they try to open Kodi, so they don't actually get inside of Kodi. So this video will address a couple ways how to go ahead and fresh restart your Kodi if you can't get into it. I'll be demonstrating from the PC, my Fire Stick, as well as the Android box. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start with PC. So let me just open up Kodi, show you guys that I have a build installed already, and I currently have the Gears build, Gears of War, which is another cool build. I put a link to the video for you guys. As you can see, I have a Gears build installed, so let me go ahead and close out of it, and let me just go to my task manager, make sure that it did in fact close. That is right there. It looks like it just closed. Okay, so the Gears build is on Kodi. We verify that. Next thing I want to do is just open up your file explorer, and yours should look something like this. And once you get in here, guys, all you have to do is type %% and just put app data. Press enter, and you'll see a folder called Kodi. Now this holds all the information from the build that you have installed, user information as well as the build information. So all you have to do, and you can just delete the whole folder. So just right click on it, delete, and it will take a couple seconds. Shouldn't be too long. Alright, so look like that's gone. Let's just verify that folder is delete. Right, though, so we don't see a Kodi folder anymore. Now let's launch Kodi. Alright, as you guys can see, we have a fresh brand new Kodi, and it's acting as if you just installed it, downloaded it from the website. Let's go ahead and updating the built-in add-ons, and you should be good to go ahead and start installing your build. Let's switch over to the Fire Stick. Alright guys, so here's my Fire Stick, and as you guys can see, I have Kodi as well as SBMC installed, and this allows me to install 2 builds on my Fire Stick. If you guys are interested in that, check the card in the top right of the video, show exactly how to do that. So for this video, I'm just going to show you how to fresh start Kodi if you can't get inside of it. So let me just go into Kodi, showing you guys that I do have a build installed already. I believe I'm just running the Aries build on this one. Okay. And what you want to do to get rid of this build or the Fresh Start Kodi is go to Settings, go over to Applications, go down to Manage Installed Applications. And you're going to scroll all the way down to Kodi. There it is. Click on Kodi. And since I just opened up Kodi, I'm just going to go ahead and force stop it first. And that will stop Kodi from running in the background, essentially. Next thing you want to do is go down to, as you can see, you have the option to uninstall as well. I'm not trying to do that just because it'll be more trouble getting it back on. So for this option, you want to do is clear data. So click there, and it will give you a warning saying all application data will be deleted. That's what we want to do, so go ahead and click clear data. Okay. Alright, so once you do that, let's just go back home and go over to Kodi. Let's go ahead and launch Kodi. And here's Kodi, and as you guys can see, Kodi is freshly installed. just as if you would have just downloaded it. Alright, so there is the default add-ons updating themselves. It's a little bit slow on the Fire Stick than the PC. That's it for this part of the video. Alright, let's swap over to my Android box. Alright guys, so here I am on my Android TV box, and I'll put a link to the video unboxing of this box as well. And let me just launch Kodi, showing you guys that I do have a current version installed, current build installed I should say. There it is. Okay, so let's get out of Kodi. Alright, so we're out of Kodi. So this should work for most Android TV boxes, or it should be a similar process. So it depends on your box and the layout, but essentially what you want to do is go into settings and scroll down. You want to go to more settings under your preferences menu. And once you're here, you want to go to apps. Alright, scroll down to Kodi. And here are your options, similar to the Fire Stick that we did earlier. And you clear data, clear cache. What we want to do is clear data. And look at the numbers right here. Clear data. And you'll get a message. Click OK. Alright. See the changes in the number, the data right here. Alright, so once we do that, let's get back out of here, go back home, and we'll just relaunch Kodi. You can see this message, prepare for the first run, please wait. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Like I said, this video is for those people who are receiving the splash screen when they go ahead and launch Kodi and they're unable to fresh restart. This will save you some time over the option of uninstalling Kodi and reinstalling it completely. So please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. What's up guys, this is Triple M, and today I'm very excited to be bringing you another light build for your Fire Stick. Now this is from Fire Stick Guru. This is a light version and it's touch friendly, and this build is awesome. Just going through the build, it has 10 main menus. Let me run through them for you. You have quit, settings, add-ons, maintenance, music, kids corner, sports center, all in one, live TV guide, TV shows, movies, and back to quit. So not too many menus, and I love the layout of this build. You have live widgets, you have sub menu that give additional information to settings, and definitely something to check out. So just like my other overviews, I'll do a quick run through of this build and I'll show you guys how to install it. Alright guys, so let's start with the movie section. As you can see, you have your main menu right here, and you scroll down, you have your Premiere add-ons, Exodus, Salts, Premiere Wire, Yes Movies, 1, 2, 3 movies. And when you go up, you have your different widgets. If you scroll over your Premiere content, you'll see a summary at the top, which is a nice touch. Scroll back down, and yet your main menu again. So let's go to the TV show section, same layout, have your widget up there with your Premiere content, and if you scroll down, you'll have your Premiere add-ons as well. So let's just give one of these a shot, and we'll try Teen Wolf, and we'll just pick season 4.
Previously on Teen Wolf, where's the shoe?
Alright, so let me just go ahead and stop it. If you guys are wondering how I got this nifty little mouse on the screen, clicker or pointer, this is from a previous video that I've done. I'll put a link in this video as well. It's called Mouse Toggle, and I have a video showing how to install that. So let me just go ahead and exit out of that. As you can see, it is working. Let's go ahead and kill that. Alright guys, so that's your TV show section, and let's go over to your live TV, which it does have a working TV guide. First time you click on the live TV, menu right there, you're going to be asked to enable an add-on, and it will direct you directly to the setting to enable it. So once you get in there, you can just enable whichever add-on you want to use for the TV guide, and this will show. So nice little touch. That's your live TV guide. Underneath, you have your Clue IPTV, C Cloud, Project Cypher, Channels Peer, Suicide TV 2.0. So let's give C Cloud a shot here. And you can just go down to all channels. There are your different channels. Let's just give Comedy Central a shot.
We love visiting family
and getting a great deal.
that you want, and you always get.
And that will go ahead and kill the stream for you. Now you can just back out, go back to your main menu. That's your live TV section, all in one. You go up, you have your favorites, search channels, free TV channels, news channels, sports events, movies, TV shows, seasonal favorites, biography, documentary, audiobooks, newspaper. And we can keep going, but don't have enough time. So scroll down to the bottom, you have your different add-ons: Imperial Streams, Phoenix, UK Playlists, Evolve, Project M. And let's go over to Sports Center, which I'm sure you guys are dying for me to get to. Today is Sunday, December 11th, and should be a lot of NFL games. So let's go up to the NFL games. And you can see you have your live games that are currently on right now. And if you look at the bottom, you'll see that it's in progress. So one game that I know is on is Miami, Arizona. So let's give that one a shot. And you can pick your stream. I think I've got an error earlier with M3 U8 stream, so let's give Footy streams a shot. And there it is, loaded right away. And that's your live streams, guys. So same concept, you have your NHL games, NBA, MLB, and you just have to load it up while a live game is in progress. At the bottom you have Castaway, MJM Soccer, Sports Devil, Airs Football, and Zem TV. Scroll over one, you have your Kids Corner, Bobby's Cartoons, Cartoons 8 I should say, Toons Mania. To the right you have your music, MP3 streams, Pandora, the music source. Next menu you have your maintenance. Here you have the option to clear your thumbnails. You have the option to go into your wizard. You have an app installer for your Android device. You can do your logs, maintenance tools. Alright, so over to add-ons. You have your program add-ons, video add-ons, music add-ons, add-on installer, and your favorites. Settings, skin settings, file manager, weather. And let me just go into the weather for you guys. As you guys can see, it has my current temperature, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, but it will not be that when you first install it. So what you'll need to do to get your weather working is go into weather. And once you get into weather, you'll need to go down to settings. Go into settings and you just click there. And what you do is just put in the nearest city or nearest big city next to you. I just put in Orlando and just click OK. Alright, so that's your settings. And last but not least, you have the option to quit, and it has the version that you're running, and you can fire notify. So that's it for this build, guys. Very nice build, works really well on my Fire Stick, which I am on right now. And if it does this well on the Fire Stick, if you guys love it that much, you can install it on your PC and it should work even faster. So without further ado, let's jump into the installation. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is just make sure you start with a fresh install of Kodi. And I just performed that action here on my Fire Stick, and I'll put a couple cards on the top right of different ways how to first start your Kodi. Okay, so once you get into Kodi with a fresh install, we're going to add a source. So go to File Manager, Add Source, This is going to be from the Addons repo, so and go ahead and click OK. I'm going to go back to the main menu. I'm going to go to System, go to Add-Ons, and you get this pop-up after you fresh install Kodi. Just click OK. I'm going to install from zip. Go down to Aries and just click on the zip file there. Just give it a couple seconds, wait for the confirmation at the bottom right. It should say something along the lines of Aries add-on enabled. And there it is. Alright, so once you see that, I'm going to go back home again to the main menu. This time we're going to go over to Programs. Go down to Program Add-ons. Click on Addons Wizard. You'll see the screen telling you it's checking for updates. It will do that. After it finishes, just click on the Addons Wizard again. It should launch you into Addons Wizard. Click OK, or back out of this box when you see it. And there it is. So once we're here, we're going to go into Browse Builds. And we're going to go down to the Fire TV Guru. So we're just going to go down to the light build, touch friendly, go over and we're going to install it. Now give it a couple minutes for everything to install. I'll pause the video. Alright guys, so once the build finished installing, you'll see this message right here. And for this video, I'm just going to click no. Then it's going to ask you if you want to back up your skin/profile. I'm also going to click no on this one. Here's a message that you need to force close Kodi for this to work. So one option that I found that works great is if you just kill Kodi from the new settings. So go ahead and hold the home button on your Fire Stick remote and go over to settings, go over to applications, and we're going to go down to manage installed applications, scroll down to Kodi, and just go ahead and force stop Kodi. That should essentially kill it, stop it from running in the background. Alright, so once you do that, go ahead and relaunch the application. There it is, look like it's loading. Once you get to this point, guys, it will take 3 to 5 minutes just for everything to load as far as the settings and the different menus and the add-ons. Just be patient, because if you rush into it, you will get a lot of errors, so just give it time for everything to load. And as you can see, the different backgrounds are starting to load. And that's it for this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or concerns, just leave them in the box below, and thanks for watching.